next question, begun by Congressman Woodall. Would you support the repeal of the 17th Amendment, which allows for the direct election of senators? Why or why not?
I would absolutely support the repeal of the 17th Amendment. We talked about that in the Republican Study Committee. That's the group of the most conservative members of Congress, how it is that we bring that out. 17th Amendment, direct election of senators, it was passed in a time of great corruption in Washington, where they believed Standard Oil was buying and paying for senators, where they believed that your folks in the railroads were buying and paying for senators by buying and paying for state legislators. But the accountability today of state legislators is so much more than it is of federal legislators. I could hide in Washington, D.C. You should defeat me if I did, but I could. You can't hide as a state legislator. You think the 10th Amendment would be in the danger that it is? Do you think it would have disappeared? States' rights would have disappeared if state legislators still elected our United States senators? Do you think our United States senators would be as difficult to contact if they were named by our state legislators? Big yes for me.